Hello, friends, and welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana. I am very grateful that you decided to stop by today and spend the next few minutes with me as I clean my master bedroom. If you're into cleaning motivational videos, organizational ideas, and very frugal DIY, let's be friends and hit that subscribe button. I am a single mom and I'm always trying to make $1 out of a 15 cent. I know the saying it's very old, but if you get to know me, you'll see that I try to reuse and recycle everything that I have, and little by little, I'm trying my house to look like a castle, although, to be honest with you, it's a very old house, very, very old. But if you're into that stuff and you believe that within us resides great power to do amazing things with what we have, let's be friends and hang out together. The crib behind me has become the catch it all kind of thing. It's basically where I dump all the clean laundry until I have a time to fold it and put it away. Let me know if you are like me, that you do a lot of laundry and then you should stamp it somewhere until you can address it. Well, this is the spot for me. And if you're wondering why do I have a crib in my room, I currently do not have a baby. And I say currently because I am a foster parent here in New Jersey. And due to licensing requirements, you always have to have the rooms and beds ready in case you get a placement or a placement call. However, I am going back to college in September and I work full time plus have 3 children of my own. So I realized that I'm going to take down the crib probably in the next month and maybe do some rearrangement in my bedroom because I really have to get ready for September. I'll be working full time and going to school, probably taking 6 credits, which here in New Jersey is about 2 night classes. That's probably like twice a week that I have to go to school. So it's gonna be a lot, and I'm not gonna have time to pour love and attention to a little one. Also, you see me here cleaning with the Jaws product. This video is not sponsored. I just love these products because I have a lot of allergies, seasonal allergies, plus I have skin allergies, and I personally find out that this product is very gentle to my hands, and I'm not sure if you could see, but it does clean and polish anything that's wood. This one in particular that I'm using here. this is my yoni steam seat that I built, and I will link the video below. And it's basically a spa, an at-home spa to take care of our yonis. And it's very healthy, very natural, very soothing. And if you have very strong menstrual cycles and you have maybe given birth, this is something that I encourage you to research and look into it. Let me know if you are into natural medicine. And if you are into natural medicine, uh, leave a comment down below, a suggestion or something that has worked for you that you feel that other women or anyone on this platform should know about. I recently started ironing my sheets. I haven't ironed in about 11 years. But there's this friend on YouTube that I absolutely enjoy her channel and that I love. Her name is Diana, and she always has these motivational videos. And honestly, I'm hooked. I said to her, I am gonna start small because I want this to last. And honestly, I'm loving it. And I think the next thing that I'm gonna start adding up to this hobby is gonna be my towels, because I think that I'm really gonna enjoy the feel of it. So let you all we gotta do is start small, and then from there build up, right? And when we start something, we have to make sure that it's something that we think we're gonna be able to sustain. So I gave it a try with that in mind. Am I going to be able to sustain if I start adding something else to my cleaning routine? And I'm happy that I did. I'm happy that I gave it a try, because again, the feel, it's amazing. I'm not doing it for all my children. This is something that I'm doing for me. It's for me. I enjoy laying down on my bed and having that hotel feel on my sheets. Friends, if you made it this far into the video, I am sending you virtual hugs. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for being my friend and for staying with me this far. If you haven't done this yet, please hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does help my channel a lot. Until our next time that we meet, I love you. Thank you for being here and see you on my next video.